In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson TX200 using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter for Epson TX200, first we suggest you to disable all of your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. As you can see here, we already disabled our Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection. Then you can download this resetter for Epson TX200, the link on pinned comments. After that, you can extract the resetter by right-clicking and click Extract All. In here, you can open the resetter folder and run the adjustment programs files. And this is instruction, and this is to open the resetter file, and this is to exit from the programs. To open the resetter, click this button, then click Accept. Okay, now you can just directly click particular adjustment mode button here. Okay, then select Watch Inkpad Counter and click OK. In here, you need to tick Main Pad Counter options. Then you can click Check button. After that, you can click Initialization button. If you encounter an error here, you can repeat the resetting process until the resetter works, of course. After the resetter works, you can click Finish and you can close the resetter software. You can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson TX200 using resetter or adjustment programs. Once again, you can get the resetter on pinned comments. Hope this video helpful for you.